In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up the Google Keep homepage using the pin and archive features. Google Keep is a fantastic tool for organizing notes, but over time your homepage can become cluttered and overwhelming. Let's dive into how you can tidy things up in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll need to access Google Keep. Start by navigating to the Google Apps menu, which can be found in the top right corner of your browser when you're logged into your Google account. It looks like a grid of dots. Click on it and a menu will pop up showing various apps. Scroll through the menu until you locate the Google Keep icon. Once you find it, simply click to open Google Keep in a new tab. Now, you're on the Google Keep homepage, which might be filled with numerous notes. To begin cleaning up, you'll want to look at your current notes and decide which ones you need to keep visible and which ones can be moved to the archive. This will help reduce visual clutter and keep your homepage organized. Let's start with archiving. To archive a note, simply click on the note itself to open it or select it by clicking the checkbox, which should appear when you hover over the note. Once selected, look for the archive icon, which looks like a little box with a downward pointing arrow. Clicking this icon will move the note to your archive, where you can still access it later, but it won't crowd your main view. Archiving is perfect for notes you don't need immediate access to but want to keep for reference. Next, let's talk about pinning notes. Pinning is useful for notes that are important and need to be quickly accessible. To pin a note, hover over the note you want to pin and you'll see a thumbtack icon. Click on this icon to pin the note to the top of your home page. Pinned notes stay at the top so you won't have to scroll through your list to find them. Once you've pinned the notes you want quick access to and archived those less critical, you'll notice your Google Keep homepage looks more streamlined. This organization process makes it significantly easier to focus on your most important tasks without getting distracted by a cluttered space. Remember, keeping notes organized is an ongoing process. Regularly revisiting your notes to archive and pin as needed will ensure that your Google Keep remains neat and effective. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to declutter your Google Keep homepage.